What's going on? What's going on? Lurik O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur. And I'm back with you, another video in Motion 5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize and tweak your colors a little bit more in Motion 5. So there's two different kind of ways that we can approach colors. We can focus on a solid color or a gradient color. So as you can see, I already have a gradient. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my gradient group and I'm gonna click the drop down arrow and I'm gonna go to the rectangle. Then I'm gonna go over to shape. Now, once I'm in shape, you can see the fill and you can see where my color is. If I wanna tweak that, I can do a preset by clicking on this drop down arrow here, and I can just do several different presets. Now if I find a preset that I like but I want to tweak it a little more, I can just click on the first color, then click in the rectangle and just pick a different color. All right, so we got that. Then I can click on different colors throughout. And if we do the start and end, if we change the value, the X value, we can kind of change where our colors kind of start and stop. All right. We can even do it on the X value as well. So that's one way that you can change the color. I'm going to put that back on 0. Click on that color, make that one blue. I'm just clicking on random stuff. This isn't really, what I'm probably going to keep as the final color. All right, but you can do it like that. All right, let's play around with some of the other controls. So if we go to interpretation, or I'm sorry, if we go to interpolation, if we do linear, I didn't see a change yet. Constant, didn't see a change. So I'll put it back on continuous. And if we do the start and end, if we change the value, the X value, we can kind of change where our colors kind of start and stop. All right. We can even do it on the X value as well. Right. So you can have different colors like throughout the thing. So, if you keep it on 0, it'll kind of be like that. But who says you have to keep it on 0? Right. So you can go here and just keep playing with it and just see what it does. So let's see what that. All right. So that's one way that you can change the color. All right. I'm gonna put that back on 0. All right. You also can come over here to outline and you can add a solid color for outline, but when we're in gradient mode, the outline won't do anything. However, you can come to properties and add a drop shadow. So I can click drop shadow right here. You can see it kind of adds like a little background color. So what I'm gonna do, I want my drop shadow to kind of be this money green right here. Then what I'm gonna do is make the blur even bigger so you can kind of see it more in the background. And I don't want it to be opaque. If the opaque is at 0, you can't even see the drop shadow, right? But if you turn it all the way up to 100, you can see it a little bit in the background. We can also change the distance of where it is. All right, so you can see that. So that's the way to change your gradient colors.